country.
Sure.
I just haven't put up right here just so I can interview.
What's Chat's Instagram?
Warthog. Warthog.
It's Warthog.
Yeah.
It's Warthog.
Sone. Welcome to Japan.
You just entered Japan.
You guys gonna dyno this thing?
Yeah, eventually today, probably later in the night time.
What do you think it has in it?
It's gonna be like a little over 200.
Really?
It's the motor out of like Acura RSX. It's all stock. But I mean, these things come at like, these things come at like 50. So they come at 40, either 48 or 58 horsepower from the factory. So I mean, this is gonna be over 200 now.
Yeah, it's like 1,000 pounds.
Yeah, no, you can literally,
like
when the motor wasn't in it, you could literally just lift it up.
Yeah.
We just wanted to go over it, you know, like start to finish, man. We're just here. We're just getting it all, you know, in the finalization to see where we actually came from. But I mean, this thing, like, you know, just a little bit about it. You just remember it's a K20 A2 full swap. It is a 6-speed transmission too. I actually forgot that driving here. I only put it in 5th gear. I forgot it had 6-speed. You know, we got the basic stuff, RBC manifold. We made a custom header for it. And then we also have it on electric water pump to pump all the way forward and back. Today, I actually just tested. It still has heat. No air conditioning, but it's got heat. I mean, that's not really good for Florida. We kind of wanted it the other way around, but
It's getting cool though.
it's getting cool right now, so at least it's got some heat. We did utilize, like, you know, we said it before, but I'm just going over again. You know, we utilized the stock throttle cable still. It still has a stock e-brake. Still has the stock shifter cables. Let me think about what else we did here. So yeah, the heat is definitely plumbed. We got a catch can plumbed in now. Everything else, but we didn't finish the intake, but that's okay. We're gonna finish the intake when we get it back. We are actually even thinking about painting this bed black, but this thing's come such a long way, and with all the stuff, you know, going on with it, hopefully it makes like a nice 200 horsepower today. I'm sure everyone will be happy with that.
It comes stock like 50.
I mean, yeah, I don't know if it's like, I remember we read it, I think we read it together. It was like 43, 48, or like 58. I'm sure you guys will tell me what it is, but something like that, the factory one. I drove it here down the highway, and I don't really want to go over 60 miles an hour with it because I don't know if this truck is made to go over 60 miles an hour, but it's gonna get to 60 miles an hour really fast, I'll tell you that. The car still starts with the factory key. You know, we want to drive like it came. I don't know if it's necessarily gonna drive like it used to, but starts like it should, has the heat like it came from factory. It had no AC from factory, so that isn't even something that we even got into. But 1000cc
alpha
injections, yep. All the lines are pretty much AN. We got a tucked harness that we did have to customize. It's actually customized tucked harness because it's the other way around. Instead of pulling it in this way, it's going that way, so it's customized tucked harness. We did custom mounts, obviously, all over. It's utilizing for suspension, it's actually got Mustang springs and shocks from like kind of something that you would use in a 4-link, a straight up and down a Mustang, solid rear stuff. And it uses a EKEG alpha light arms. We're using EK lower control arms. We're using EKEG DC, all that stuff. Camber kit. The axles are completely custom, of course. Yeah, the clutch pedal has a little custom stuff. The clutch pedal was cable. We switched it to hydraulic.
Custom now.
Yeah, the radiator is in the same spot with the same tubing. It's just
3-core now.
Yep, it's a 3-core, and we had to kind of like, yeah, to get it from that plastic and aluminum radiator to a full aluminum radiator, we had to customize the front a little bit. But you know, if you guys are super interested, just look back at all the clips.
Yep, everything will be linked.
Everything will be linked. Yeah.
All right.
We're literally gonna start from scratch basically. It looks pretty generic. It looks like it already happened.
Getting everything ready to get that dyno.
Yep, getting everything ready. Just seeing where we're at, starting from 0 degrees and just making a base map, getting it on the dyno, see what we gotta do to get it right. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully everything goes smooth, honestly.
Big flower, 2-step.
Yeah, always 2-step.
The vehicle speed does work on this because it works on my phone. But this doesn't work, but it works on my phone.
Alright, so minimum.
And the off.
Full throttle.
Full throttle.
Let's go check that out.
Go ahead. Yeah, it's sticking. It's not pulling in all the way. It doesn't.
We might have to adjust the cable.
Cable may need adjustment.
Oh, I can do.
Acty now. I'm gonna be a longer time. And we're gonna turn this thing in a Dodge 1500.
It's stock as hell.
Yeah. Hey, Chad.
It only got 80% throttle.
Yo, it's right on the sides.
We gotta take this.
First baby full. First baby full. Going up. Woo. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice.
Sometimes it's not responding. So like last time I thought I was adding timing on the VTC and it stayed in the same way. So I think I gotta hit upload twice. I'm not sure what that's about. It's some glitch, but we're working through it.
I mean, that motor is all, this is all stock, right?
Yeah, start going. Gotta treat it.
Easy 10 more right there. Nice.
We're moving in the right direction, guys.
Right? Oh.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking.
Woo! 182. Up 12. Next one up 15. Let's go. Hey, not bad, not bad. 91. Almost. Woo! 187. What? Damn, bad food. 187. Oh yeah, baby, 187.
It is. It's the intake, the throttle. Look, it's missing this one. This one.
You got 12, that's what it should
This one is missing. So
Hey, look.
maybe you can put it.
Why is it so sticky?
Because the rollers.
So
We're gonna wrap it up.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna hopefully get a few more ponies and then just call it a night.
And so far we're at what, like 187, right?
187, yeah. The intake manifold was loose, so a few leaks there.
And the throttle body.
That was Chad.
And he's gonna drive it home. Hope he don't blow it out.
Put it on the tire. We'll get you Saturday.
I don't know if you know anything or did Mike tell you. So that thing's got a map sensor from.
He told me it was. Yeah, he told me it was a 5-bar.
It's a and the reason why it was that is because that was the only thing that could screw in correctly. So it's like some Hall Tech or.
It doesn't matter. They're all on the same voltage as far as they should be like those right.
That's why it doesn't turn on. Like
but what I was trying to figure out is if you change, let's say you have a map, just a regular base map, and that's all you change, it should still run the same. So let's say you go in the settings, you change it to the 5-bar, and the option is there.
He never did that.
Again, come. No, that's it.
My eardrums are up.
That's all, folks.
Just for the number. They went there and then have TK drive home.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. Things are always gripping, things are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. Things are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is how to drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game. That's when always will. Got them cars, killing speeds, engine sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. All-wheel gripping, four-wheel gripping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skillings. Them wheels are always gripping. gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord that's S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings. All-wheel grippin', 4-4-wheel grippin'. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings. All-wheel grippin', we'll have you grippin', don't get caught slippin'. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping.